पृथ्वी अंबर सात समंदर सारी दुनिया मेरे अंदर.
Dude, we cannot do it. Yeah.
यार इट इज अ वेरी बैड एज सीन बट क्या ये दुनिया मेरे अंदर जो है ना ये मेरे इशारे झुका दे सितारे मैं ही आत्मा मैं परमात्मा. Nice, we actually pulled it off.
Okay.
I did not think that we could do that. Okay.
2 मिनट लगे हमें.
2 मिनट लगे. मैं हम लोगों ने कितने वर्ड मारे यार. यार मुझे वर्ड आता था ना कि सारी दुनिया मेरे अंदर. It is a badass thing.
We gotta cut that out.
No,
Yeah.
I'm not gonna cut it out.
Dude, we gotta cut it out.
नहीं.
It's too risky.
No, we gotta take some risk. And to be honest, the chances are nobody's gonna watch this anyway.
True. We're just putting it out into the universe.
Into the space where no one can see it. खैर चलो.
Okay.
Okay, so यार शैतान फिल्म मैंने देखी
Okay.
और
मैंने भी देखी.
सच्ची में
हाँ,
कसम
ऐसी
से
बात नहीं है।
नहीं
ऐसी बात नहीं है, हमने भी देखी है यार. ऐसी बात
नहीं. अच्छा नहीं. ओके चलो मजाक खत्म. सीरियस.
ये 1-2 दफा और बोलोगे ना, हमारी ऑडियंस भी नहीं देखेगी.
अबे कौन सी ऑडियंस?
जो
zero
बनेगी यार, आगे
subscribers है.
बनेगी. ऐसी बात नहीं है, बनेगी.
वो जब बनेगी तो ये बहुत पीछे जा चुका होगा. 3 साल बाद जाके बनेगी. 3 साल रेगुलर डालेंगे तो.
हाँ, गुड पॉइंट.
और वो हम डालेंगे नहीं.
चलो.
ओके चल यार तू शुरू कर.
यार मुझे ये मूवी जब मैं देख रहा था ना, मुझे पसंद बहुत आई ये मूवी. मैंने इसके बाद में रिव्यूज़ वगैरह भी चेक किए इस मूवी के, और भी मैंने लोगों से पूछा. एंड वन थिंग्स फॉर श्योर, वी लाइक्ड इट मोर देन एनीवन एल्स डिड एक्चुअली, इंक्लूडिंग इंडियंस.
यार देखो यहाँ पे जो फ़र्क है ना, मुझे भी नेगेटिव चीज़ें सुनने को मिली हैं, बट जिस नज़रिए से मैंने उस मूवी को देखा है और मुझे जिस वजह से वो मूवी पसंद आई है, उसकी बहुत डिफरेंट रीज़न है.
अच्छा, पहले हम थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन कर देंगे मूवी है क्या क्या नहीं है.
हाँ
Just to
इट्स अ pretty old movie now. I think everybody has watched it.
Okay, not just like a basic summary. मूवी के अंदर बेसिकली ये है कि एक फैमिली है अजय देवगन की, एंड उसकी जो डॉटर होती है, बेसिकली वो किसी रेस्टोरेंट में आई थिंक खाना वाना खा रहे होते हैं या कुछ
हाँ.
कर होते हैं. तो वहाँ पे सॉरी, वहाँ पे एक दूसरा बंदा आता है इनसे मिलने, और वो उस पे किसी टाइप का जादू कर लेता है. अब ये नहीं बता सकते किस टाइप का जादू, वो मूवी अभी हम आगे डिस्कस करेंगे तो उस चीज़ पे करते हैं कि व्हाट टाइप ऑफ मैजिक वाज इट, क्योंकि मूवी के अंदर जो बोला है कि उसने क्या उसके ऊपर किया होता है. आई थिंक कि मूवी ने एक बहुत अच्छी चीज़ की है कि उस चीज़ को ओपन एंडेड रखा है. आई लाइक इट. और जहाँ तक मुझे ये मूवी जिस वजह से पसंद आई है, उसकी वजह ये है कि मैं इस मूवी के ऊपर रिएक्शन देख रहा था एक्चुअली. सने देसी नाम का एक चैनल है, बहुत मशहूर है. इट्स रिएक्शन चैनल, और वो ज़्यादातर इंडियन मूवीज़ को रिएक्ट करते हैं, एंड दे आर फॉरेनर्स एक्चुअली.
Foreigners.
Yes. And they review a lot of movies from Bollywood and Hollywood.
Okay.
But their appeal and their audience is mostly from India. So they usually do it for Indian movies. And they one of the guys in the channel who's I think the main guy who created the channel, his name is Jabby Koe.
JB Coy.
Yeah, Jabby Koe.
Jabby.
Yeah.
Is he good in jabs?
Actually, I think he has done some martial arts.
Yeah, then name suits.
Yeah. And he said that when he was watching the movie, he pointed out that yeah, I think he's very much inspired by the Joker from the Dark Knight, which I
I
get
would
why.
not say कि from Joker actually.
I get why, because of the way that Maddie or Madhavan, how do you pronounce
To
his
me,
name?
he's Maddie, only Maddie.
Yeah, his acting, that's like very erratic and unpredictable type of acting, has been forever associated with his type of acting. Even though I personally think that Heath Ledger, while he did a great job as Joker,
Awesome job, yeah.
there is actually a better example of it. You might not have, you haven't watched his movies, which is Daniel Day Lewis. Daniel
Okay.
Day Lewis always does this very extreme measures of acting. Same, you could say for Robert De Niro actually. Robert De
Okay.
Niro also does it, but he's more reserved in his acting.
Mm.
But Daniel Day Lewis, he gives it his all.
Okay.
Like he will he will go for months without talking to anyone just so he could learn survival skills for a movie.
Okay.
Like he goes
So
to the
he
extreme.
went full retard.
Actually, no, that's the thing.
Mm.
He he does go full retard, but he always pulls himself back
Okay.
because there's a scene. There's a very famous. Uh, there's a famous rumor that when he was filming for Lincoln,
Mm.
the movie in which he played Lincoln,
Mm.
he made everybody refer him as Mr. President.
Okay.
Yes, because he wanted to really feel
Like a
like
president.
like like Abe Lincoln. He wanted
Okay.
to feel like Abe Lincoln.
Mm.
So I think he's actually a better example of that type of acting.
Mm.
But I don't think he's ever done like a no. Actually, he has done Gangs of New York. Gangs of New York के अंदर जिस टाइप की Daniel Day Lewis ने एक्टिंग की थी ना,
Mm.
not to that level obviously, like not to that level. You have not seen this movie, like his level is very different.
Okay.
But Maddie did a very Bollywood approach to that acting, I would say. But I don't think he did any sort
No,
of. I don't think
actually,
he did any method
this is
acting for this.
no. This is where we have an argument here.
Okay.
See, first of all, मैडी जिस भी फिल्म में आता है मैं वो लाजम देखता हूँ.
Oh,
Okay.
then you missed one.
Which one?
There was a movie called I think Dokha or something, in which his wife is in a hostage situation in his apartment because he leaves the apartment for his job,
Okay,
and his wife gets
okay, one or
kidnapped.
two, one or two.
It's a
I
very
might have
recent movie.
missed.
You
One or-
should watch it. It's a great film.
Okay, one or two I might have missed, but
Okay.
Maddie, I like this dude since I was a teenager.
Yeah.
Okay. और क्योंकि ये जिस फिल्म से स्टार्ट मैंने जिसको देखना शुरू किया था वो था रहना है तेरे दिल में, और उसकी जो
I don't think I've watched that one.
dude you haven't watched the shit yet then. अब वो मतलब उसका जो कॉलेज सिनेरियो और वो सब चीज़ दिखाया था वो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा अपने लाइफ स्टाइल से इंस्पायर्ड लग रहा था. तो वो
Okay.
बहुत ज़्यादा मुझे लगा उसके एक्शन और वो चीज़ें ना बहुत ज़बरदस्त लगती थी मुझे. तो उस तब तो खैर इतना ज़्यादा मेरे को एक्टिंग और फिल्मों का ज़्यादा आइडिया नहीं था,
सही.
बट जब से आइडिया आया और उसके बाद में देखना ये कभी भी एक जैसी एक्टिंग हर फिल्म में नहीं करता.
अच्छा.
इसकी एक्टिंग हर जगह पे डिफरेंट है.
हम्म.
इवन दो फेस इंप्रेशन सेम रहेंगे, लाइक ही इज स्टिल मैडी, वो वही
okay,
हंसेगा
okay.
भी वैसी वही थी, बट ये अपनी उस बंदे की साइकोलॉजी चेंज कर देता है.
Okay, okay. So
लाइक रिएक्शन जैसे आ रहे हैं वो डिफरेंट आ रहे हैं.
so he's more akin to what Ryan Gosling does. He changes.
Ryan
he
Gosling, like-
slightly changes his body language.
just a subtle but very awesome for the character.
Okay, okay.
अच्छा, उसके बाद जो मुझे सबसे ज्यादा चीज हिट करी थी
हम्म.
इसकी एक्टिंग, और अगर मुझे कंपेयर करना होगा तो मैं इसको जोकर से नहीं करूंगा क्योंकि जोकर हीथ लेजर इज ऑन अनदर लेवल, ही डिड अ वेरी ग्रेट जॉब, बट इस कैरेक्टर के लिए जोकर की एक्टिंग अगर कोई कॉपी करेगा तो वो बहुत ज्यादा ओवर द टॉप हो जाएगी.
Yes.
इस कैरेक्टर के लिए
Yes.
इसने किया था लूसी वाला काम, लूसीफर
Lucifer.
फ्रॉम सुपरनैचुरल.
Yes, yes.
He's going extreme measures and he's like killing people, is doing every shit. At the same time, he's keeping it very casual because it's a casual thing for him.
Yes, actually, just a disclaimer for our audience. The word supernatural is gonna appear in almost every episode because we love this series and a lot of things get compared to this. So
Yeah, because
get used to that.
supernatural, like not in our only in our podcast. अगर आप हमसे कभी मिलोगे भी तो नॉर्मल कन्वर्सेशन में आता रहेगा.
Yes.
इतना ज्यादा ही आता है. खैर,
Yes.
तो लूसी ने ये किया था कि वो बिल्कुल ही जो है ना बहुत ही इजी मेजर्स के ऊपर बात करेगा, जो करते
Yeah.
करते कायनातें खत्म कर देगा.
Yes, yes, he did that.
विच ही डिड एज वेल.
Yeah,
बहुत ही सटल चेंजिंग करके, और उसके अंदर जो खौफ आ रहा था
yes,
वो बहुत ऑसम था. ठीक है.
Okay.
सेकेंडली कि मैंने ओरिजिनल ये जिसका रीमेक है गुजराती, वश,
yeah. Gujarati film है
वो
वो.
गुजराती फिल्म है.
Okay, okay.
वश.
I thought it was like a Tamil or Telugu film.
नो नो, इट वाज अ वश.
Okay.
और
okay.
ये गुजराती फिल्म है.
Okay.
और वो मैंने नहीं देखा, उसके ट्रेलर देखे हैं, बट टू बी ऑनेस्ट उसमें जो शैतान है, इट डजंट कम टू द रियल दिस थिंग.
Actually, here's the thing. A lot of people say that
हाँ.
Maddie's acting is nothing compared to what he did in the movie. Like a lot of people say that his like the type of acting that he did in that movie
Hmm.
was on a very different level, and he brought a lot of dimension to the character that Maddie could
Maddie,
not do.
could not do.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm very curious to see how did that movie do that. And another thing is that I've heard that the original movie was not afraid to go dark. Like the
Okay.
ending to that one was much more darker and much more nihilistic. तो वो मूवी जो है वो एक्चुअली ज़्यादा डार्क है जो ओरिजिनल वाली है.
Hmm.
But actually, I think that's a good thing they did. I know it's a Bollywood movie, so that's why they did it. But I think they did a good job by changing the ending because sometimes you don't need the extreme darkness and extreme bleakness
Hmm.
for a good horror movie. Like one of my favorite shows is Haunting of Hell House.
Hmm.
And that show, while it is a very dark and very extremely depressing show,
Hmm.
the show ends on a lighter note.
Okay.
And because of that, it has a higher emotional impact. So for me, the emotional impact of this version of this story hits harder.
नहीं,
The original one felt kind of not that good,
नहीं
honestly.
नहीं, देखो देखो, मैंने ओरिजिनल वाली मूवी नहीं देखी.
Okay.
सो मे बी दैट्स वाई कि उसका जो ओरिजिनल जो गुंडा जो शैतान जो विलन था, उससे मैं ज़्यादा कनेक्ट नहीं कर पाया. बट उसके अलावा एंडिंग मुझे दोनों की पता है.
Yeah.
एंड मेरे ख्याल से दोनों की दोनों ही डार्क है.
Yeah.
लेट मी
Yeah.
टेल यू व्हाई.
Yeah,
क्योंकि देखो,
it's dark in a different way.
हाँ, उस मूवी को लोग डार्क बोलते हैं क्योंकि जो इनोसेंट बंदा था उसके ऊपर प्रॉब्लम थी एट द एंड.
Yeah.
वो क्या थी मैं नहीं बताऊंगा. ठीक
Okay.
है. इस वाले में भी डार्कनेस है क्योंकि प्रॉब्लम डार्कनेस की साइड पर है, विलन
Yes.
की साइड. इट्स स्टिल डार्क.
Yeah.
ओके. लेकिन मुझे इसकी वाली ज्यादा पसंद आई.
Hmm.
इमोशनली इतना ज्यादा हिट नहीं होती है, ये मैं मानता हूँ. वो ज्यादा हिट होती है क्योंकि आप इनोसेंट लोगों के साथ और अच्छे लोगों के साथ ज्यादा कनेक्ट कर रहे हो.
Yeah.
तो, ठीक है,
Hopefully.
होपफुली या. बट वो ज्यादा हिट करती है. बट ये मुझे ज्यादा अच्छा है कि ये बहुत सेटिस्फाइंग लगी.
Yes. I agree with
और
that.
मुझे लगता है कि इसका पार्ट 2 आएगा.
Yes, but I hope they don't make it.
आई थिंक दे शुड मेक इट.
No, because if they make it, it's not gonna be an improvement on the movie, and it's going to be compared to the original movie, and because of that, the movie is not going to it's gonna have a hard time trying to compete with it because it's gonna try and compete with it. That's the problem. In a movie like this, whenever they make a sequel out of it, the writers always feel a pressure of uh, trying to do more than the first movie did, and because of that, they always screw it up, especially in Bollywood.
यार ये बात बहुत हद तक सही है,
हम्म।
बहुत हद तक सच है ये बात। बट प्रॉब्लम मालूम क्या है कि अगर कोई अच्छा
हम्म।
डायरेक्टर और राइटर,
या
कास्ट कोई भी हो, आई डोंट केयर, कास्ट कोई भी हो, अच्छा राइटर और डायरेक्टर
हम्म।
तरीके वाला जो चीज़ों को स्किप ना करना जानता हो,
हाँ।
ठीक है, अगर एके इसको करता है, मैं ये
AK
बोलता हूँ, एके अगर इसको करता है,
actually now I don't think he should have direction over it, because I have actually watched a horror movie from AK.
हम्म
It's a short segment.
हम्म,
There was a anthology. You know what anthology is?
नो आई डोंट,
Anthology is basically a bunch of short stories in a collection. That's what it means.
ओके
Like every story is its own thing.
ओके।
Kind of like Black Mirror. Black
ब्लैक
Mirror
मिरर
counts as
है,
a
और
anthology.
राइटर्स में भी आएगा ना ये,
या बुक से ही शुरू हुआ है
वो
ना।
उसमें भी तो उसका भी तो यही सीन है,
कौन?
ये अमेरिका फेवरेट गूल, क्या नाम है उसका,
ओ एडगर एलन पो।
एडगर एलन पो, उसका भी तो सेम यही सीन है।
Yeah, yeah, that also, like any collection of short stories that do not relate to each other.
आई थिंक किंग आल्सो डिड इट, राइट?
Yeah, Stephen King has a whole like section of short stories,
Yeah.
and but like there was a horror anthology called Ghost Stories, I think, and it was like a bunch of directors who got together and made short horror stories, and one of them was from Anurag Kashyap. And
Okay.
Anurag Kashyap, being Anurag Kashyap,
Okay.
he he decided to play with the genre.
Okay.
I still have not finished the story, by the way,
Hmm.
because I was watching it with our family,
Okay.
and nobody could stomach the movie. It was too weird. Like, for example, the whole movie has zero dialogue. It's completely silent.
देखने वाली है यार ये
On top of that, the movie is completely in black and white.
तो awesome.
And the plot is very heavily, like, it directed like a David Lynch movie.
Okay.
Which is to say that the plot does not make any sense. But the vibe that I was getting from the movie, I was so disturbed.
Hmm.
Even just watching like five minutes of that section,
Hmm.
I was so disturbed that I had to wait for the sunrise. Genuinely, I want to finish it, but
यार देखने का मजा आएगा इसको।
yeah, but the problem is that as much as I like AK, and hopefully he never sees this episode,
Yeah.
because what I'm about to say is a bit sad, but I've seen clips and seen like stuff from him recently, and he's not like on that level anymore. Like he's
ये थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे चेंज है, देख हो सकता है इसने हाफ हार्टेडली फिल्म की हो, ठीक है,
no,
तो
no, 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 no. The problem isn't that. The problem is that even if he does do projects that are very like creative from his side,
Hmm.
the problem with his movies is that he always lets his ideas get in the way of the story. That's what I've heard.
Okay.
Like he wants to talk about an idea or a concept,
Hmm.
but instead of trying to explore it in a natural way, he kind of explores it in a very like heavy-handed way.
यार मुझे
But
हम लोग
even with that,
थोड़ा सा
I would
टॉपिक से
say,
हट के जा रहे
yeah.
हैं, ठीक है। मैं ये बोलता हूँ, खैर एके है और भी डायरेक्टर्स हैं
Actually,
अच्छे।
I have a director in mind that would be great for for the sequel,
Who?
which is Vikramaditya Motwani.
Okay.
It's a hard name to say for me.
Hmm.
He's the director who co-directed Sacred Games,
Okay.
and he actually wrote the script for the first season, I think. And
Okay.
he also directed Trapped.
ट्रैप मैंने देखी है।
Yeah, I think so. उसकी राजकुमार राव की जिसमें
हाँ
वो एक
वो
अपार्टमेंट में ट्रैप
अपार्टमेंट,
हो
हाँ
जाता है,
ओ यार
बिकॉज
आई लव्ड इट।
yeah that director can do it justice because
हाँ
he has an eye for detail,
या
and the sequel needs that
या
very much.
या दैट सी ऐसे चीजों में ये
Hmm.
मूवी बन सकती है, पर
Yeah.
यही टाइप के लोग करें तो।
Yes.
अच्छा, दूसरा ये है कि
Ironically, him, like, even though he is a big name and everything,
हम्म,
I don't see a lot of movies that he makes. Like, he makes very independent movies. He never makes any big budget
ओके,
project.
अब हम एक बात ये करते
हम्म,
हैं, हम उसके कैरेक्टर्स के बारे में बात करते हैं।
okay,
अगर अजय देवगन की जगह लाइक इन रियल लाइफ
okay.
कोई और, कोई तू होता, तो तुझे क्या लगता है उसको क्या करना चाहिए था जिससे जल्दी काम सही आसान हो जाता?
मैं ये करता है कि पहली बात तो ये कि इतनी देर तक वो उसकी जो अब्यूज़ था उसको वो बर्दाश्त करता रहा। मैं ये करता कि आई वुड ट्राई टू साइलेंस हिम बिफोर ही गिव any command. Like, for example, the reason why he couldn't kill him
हम्म,
at the end was because he gave the command that to, like, keep laughing until you die. So
ओके,
if he had killed him,
हम्म,
she would just keep laughing and then she would die. But before he said any kind of command like that, I would place my hand over his mouth
हम्म,
and then kill him. Or at the very least, I would not do it very successfully. Like, I would not do it proficiently, I would say.
हम्म,
But what I would do is I would take some scissors
ओके,
and just stab him in his throat as much as possible
ओके,
until he cannot speak. That would be my first thing to do. I know it's very dark and way too graphic, but that's what I would try to do.
ओके, बट व्हाट इफ,
Although I
यू
would
वर,
say I'm not, I've never been in this type of situation before, so I don't know
होपफुली
if I
नो
would
वन
be.
वर्ड,
Yeah.
बट नहीं, लेकिन अच्छा, अब अगर तू शैतान की जगह होता
Huh.
तो क्या करता?
That's an interesting point of view because keep in mind, we still haven't discussed the plot twist, by the way, but now we kind of have to.
ओके,
One thing I loved about this movie is the very bold plot twist at the end,
हम्म,
which is that they kind of hinted
हम्म,
that he's some kind of deity,
या
like he's some kind of a old, like, god or some sort of demon or something like that.
या
And I'm using the word demon here because according to
Lore.
Hinduism, according to Hinduism, I
हाँ,
would say, is that uh, I don't remember his exact name, the name that he says at the end. Do you remember?
नो,
Vishnu or something?
नहीं याद
No,
मुझे,
it's not Vishnu, it's something else.
नहीं याद मुझे।
And according to Hinduism, in some scriptures,
हाँ,
he is described as a god, like
ओके,
like a very old god, like a god that is no longer either worshipped by modern Hindus,
या
or he's described as, like, plain and simple, like a demon.
ओके,
So it depends on which sect or which version of Hinduism you would believe.
ओके,
So in some areas he's described as like a vengeful god,
या
and in some areas he's described as a manipulative demon.
ओके,
So it's a very interesting lore
लाइक अ
around him.
ट्रिकस्टर,
Yeah, like a trickster, or more akin to like a very evil version of Loki. I would
Okay.
say the demon version is very evil version of Loki,
Hmm.
but the god or goddess version of him, because keep in mind Hinduism plays around with gender a lot.
Hmm.
So goddess and, like, god version of this character
Hmm.
is a kind of a vague presentation. Like nobody can decide whether it's a trickster god or not. Like some people view him as a good god, some people view him as a bad god. So it's very confusing. So मैं एक और बात कहना चाहूँगा कि मेरी जो रिसर्च है वो बहुत सरफेस लेवल की है बाय द वे. तो अगर कोई भी
ऑन दिस गॉड.
यस,
ओके.
तो मैं मेरी जितनी भी रिसर्च है इसके ऊपर बहुत सरफेस लेवल की है और बहुत एकेडमिक लेवल की है. तो मैं ये बोलूँगा कि अगर कोई आ, अभी जो मैं बात बोलने वाला हूँ, अगर कोई इंडियन बंदा या कोई
हिंदू.
हिंदू कोई सुन रहा है हमारे पॉडकास्ट को, तो प्लीज़ डोंट टेक एनी ऑफेंस. वी आर जस्ट गोइंग ऑफ ऑफ व्हाट वी नो. बट मेरे लिए ये मूवी एक तरह की बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग और बहुत ब्रेव मूवी थी, बिकॉज लाइक आई नो दिस मूवी एक्चुअली वेंट ऑन थिएटर्स में चली है ये मूवी.
ओके.
And given the plot twist that he's some like old Hindu god at the end, it's a very bold move. But the movie actually never cleared it up whether he actually is a god or is he
Devotee.
a cult leader.
और a devotee of
Yeah,
the god.
like a cult leader of that deity. So and I think both versions kind of work.
नहीं, मेरे ख्याल से ये उस डीटी का डिवोटी था
Okay.
who wanted to become him.
हाँ, क्योंकि बहुत सारी जगहों पे ना मूवी के अंदर जब हिंट्स आ रहे थे,
हाँ.
तो मुझे बहुत पहले से ही ना एक शक हो गया था that they're gonna reveal that he's some sort of evil entity.
या.
And my guess was that it's gonna be something offensive, because he kept saying that like I am the universe, I am the this or that.
Yeah.
मेरा ये था कि the movie is gonna take a bit of a atheistic route, like not atheistic actually.
मेरे
There's another
मेरे माइंड में थोड़ा
word
सा
for this.
डिफरेंट आ रहा था.
Yeah.
उस टाइम पे मेरे माइंड में ये आ रहा था. मेरे माइंड में पूरा एपिसोड चल रहा था अगेंस्ट सुपरनैचुरल का,
Of course.
जिसमें वो गॉड्स होते हैं जो भूल चुके होते हैं.
Yeah.
पर मेरे दिमाग में इंडियन गॉड नहीं था, मेरे दिमाग में कोई ओल्ड पेगन गॉड था, कोई और.
अच्छा.
हाँ, इंडियन कल्चर का ही नहीं था, क्योंकि इट्स अ वेरी हार्ड सब्जेक्ट टू टच.
Yes.
ओके. तो वो मेरे माइंड में था. पर अगर मैं फॉर एग्जांपल वो डिवोटी या उस डीटी की जगह होता
Yes.
और मैं देखता कि इन दोनों माँ बाप ने मुझे इतनी ज़्यादा रेजिस्टेंस दी है,
Yeah.
तो और मुझे इजाज़त लेने की ज़रूरत है,
हाँ.
तो मैं इजाज़त लेके, क्योंकि देख उसको इजाज़त लेने की ज़रूरत होती है जब वो घर में आ रहा होता है, तब भी अपना इनविटेशन मांगता है
Yes.
उस लड़की से.
हाँ.
तो वो उसको इनवाइट करती है, तो ये अंदर आता है घर के. ठीक
Yeah.
है.
Actually, just remembered one more point about the movie.
ओके. अगर वो मैं इजाज़त लेने के बाद उसकी पूरी फैमिली को मार देता,
Okay.
सो नो वन वुड कम आफ्टर मी.
Yeah.
दैट वाज अ मिस्टेक
And
फ्रॉम
keep in mind, this is all hypothetical.
Yeah.
If you were an evil deity, you would do this. If you were an evil deity, you
Yeah, I
need
will
to
not
specify that.
Yeah. I'm not that person. But you get the point. Okay, what was your point?
अच्छा, मेरा पॉइंट ये है बेसिकली कि एक्चुअली दो पॉइंट हैं. वो ये है कि इस मूवी से मुझे एक चीज़ याद आ गई. आपने इंडियाना जोन्स नहीं देखी है?
नहीं.
वो भी देखनी है, हम उसके ऊपर एक एपिसोड भी बनाएंगे.
Okay.
इंडियाना जोन्स का एक पार्ट है, इंडियाना जोन्स एंड द टेम्पल ऑफ डूम,
Okay.
and that part is based in India.
Okay.
And the movie, because of the time period, the movie is not even like 1% accurate of what India looks like at all.
Okay.
Like India is shown as just a desert, that's it.
Okay.
Yeah, and like very very offensive stereotypes and everything. But on top of that, the movie did not actually get criticism for the inaccurate depictions of India. The movie got a very bad reputation in India because Amrish Puri, he played a cult leader in the
Okay.
movie, and
Like always. Okay.
yeah, he was playing a cult leader, and the cult worshipped some old Indian god,
Okay.
and it's a very famous scene, and he's playing a very over the top character and everything. So he actually got criticism that why did you take this role? It's so offensive to your culture and everything. And he replied back that actually if you do your research right,
हाँ.
that cult used to exist actually.
Okay.
That was a real cult
Okay.
that used to exist and they would do human sacrifices. This was true.
देख ह्यूमन sacrifices रहे हैं
Yeah.
ऑलमोस्ट एवरी पार्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड,
Yeah.
ठीक है, लेकिन मैं वो बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ. मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि अगर अमरीश पुरी उसमें था
Yeah.
एंड ही वाज नॉट अ लाइक अ स्मॉल थिंग, ही वाज अ
Yeah.
बिग डील.
He was the main bad guy.
No, big deal in industry actually.
Yeah.
So he has a say. He should have said about the desert and everything else. He
Yeah,
didn't correct
but
that.
but the problem is that even though yes he was a big deal and everything, he was still not as big deal as Steven Spielberg, the guy who made the movie.
Okay, I understand that. लेकिन मसला ये है को फिर भी कुछ
Oh,
बोलना
actually, fun fact.
चाहिए.
This is not for this podcast, but the Indiana Jones trilogy
Hmm.
also written by George Lucas, Star Wars guy.
Oh,
Yes,
dude,
that's
you
why.
don't have to explain who
Yes.
he is.
That's why I'm
Even to
telling you
me.
to watch it. So actually, I just reminded me of that. And another point which is very interesting is कि इस मूवी का सब टेक्स्ट क्या है.
क्या है?
हमें टेक्स्ट तो समझ में आ गया कि इस मूवी का जो एक ऑन द सरफेस जो कोर है मूवी का वो बहुत स्ट्रांग है कि एक फैमिली है वो अपना को डिफेंड कर रही है एक लाइक दिस it's a old like it's a very old formula of good versus evil, right?
Yeah.
But and I really like I will just say this right now so we don't waste time. I really like the pacing of the movie actually.
Hmm.
A lot of people actually disagree here. People
Okay.
say that the movie goes on too long, that the movie should have ended earlier. But
Okay.
I think the intensity of the movie and the fact that nowhere in the entire film I felt that the acting was odd.
Yeah.
The acting was solid,
Yeah.
even from Ajay Devgan,
Hmm.
who, to be fair, he was just doing the same thing he did in Drishyam,
Okay.
but his acting was still solid. It was workable,
Hmm.
and the best acting was from the daughter, in my opinion.
Because she had a
and
practice.
Maddie.
Because she had a practice.
Yeah, Maddie and the daughter.
Yeah.
And in your opinion, what thing the movie is trying to explore the most, like subtext wise? Subtext for those who don't know, subtext is basically
मेरे तो
what the
उसमें-
movie is implying.
What movie is implying that I really don't know, लेकिन मैं ये कहूँगा कि जो if I have to learn something from it, मैं ये सेम चीज़ बहुत ही छोटे लेवल पे जो मैंने लर्न की और बड़े लेवल पे अगर बात करूँ तो मैंने सुपरनैचुरल से लर्न की. You never give up on your family.
Okay.
You
okay.
never give up on your family, and family doesn't end with blood.
Okay, but actually, I would say that this is not a subtext. This is just the text of the movie. Like
Okay.
this is what the movie is running with.
Okay.
That everybody is gonna notice
Hmm.
that he's protecting his family and all of that. But I think even a bigger theme in the entire film is free will,
Okay.
because like keep in mind he's a DT, right? He's a
Yeah.
very big DT and everything, but he still need to ask to come into the house. He still need to ask for consent. So
Yeah.
consent and free will, I think it was a big part of the movie. And keep in mind, one thing that I really enjoyed about the movie was he asked the consent to come into the house so that he could take the consent from everybody else. He take the free will out of all of them. He takes their free will. That's his hunger basically, to take away the free will, right? And even at the end when he gives the big speech, he says outright that Krishna or Vishnu or like Bhagwan basically, he gave free will to everyone, and that's why his job is so hard. So he wants to take away the free will of the people. That's what he like straight out says in the movie. So a running theme in the movie that I really enjoyed was this exploration of free will. How somebody can take it away from you, and how even if you think that you have no choice, even if you think that your consent does not matter, you still have a say in the matter. You can still take back your control. That's what I enjoyed about the movie.
That's a very like different way. I was not thinking about it.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought you might have noticed it.
No, I did
Because
not.
the movie was not subtle about it.
नहीं, मैंने ये जिस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से तू देख रहा है ना,
Hmm.
इसको मैंने इस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से नहीं देखा था.
Yeah, and even at the end, when it's revealed that Ajay Devgan's character takes Maddie's character hostage,
Yeah.
like that's also a take on free will and consent.
Yeah.
Like he takes away the free will of a supernatural deity. Why? Because humans have that power.
I still add that he was not a deity, he was a devotee becoming a deity.
Yeah, I actually like that version more.
या खैर मेरे ख्याल से पॉडकास्ट में सब हमने डिस्कस कर लिया,
Okay.
तो हम एंड करते हैं इसका. ठीक है.
Alright.
और हमने इससे पहले जो एक पॉडकास्ट बना था एपिसोड नंबर 2, वो था कोबरा काई के ऊपर.
Yes.
वो आप देखना चाहो तो साथ में देख सकते हो, और ये रहा उसका इंट्रो. स्ट्राइक फर्स्ट,
Strike hard.
No
No
mercy.
mercy.